Okay, let's take a look at a couple more, couple stock before everybody takes off for the Labor Day weekend. Today is August 28, 2012. Let's take a look at GLD, the ETF for gold. It's kind of gap up 2 days ago, and seems like it's holding up on this gap here. And if it could break through this 138, and there's a good possibility the next level to keep an eye on would be this 143 here. If it cannot hold up above this gap and then it come back and fill this gap here, then the good possibility that it could come back down to this Fibonacci extension of 127, which is somewhere around this level here of 133.50. So that's basically some of the parameters to keep an eye on for the gold. If it could break through this 138 or come down to this 133.50. The next one to take a look at is Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook here. Facebook came down yesterday and bounced off the this baseline here of 39.32. So right now today is kind of forming a little bit of an inside day, and essentially we're still looking for it to take out this previous high, which is 41.94. And if we could take out this high, we could kind of look forward to it to come up and test this 43 and possibly go out and take out this IPO high at the 45. But if we break below this particular baseline here, then we could see that there's a good possibility that it might come down and test this level here, back at this 36 level, somewhere at the mid 36, which is somewhere around the 36.25, 36.30. Okay, and then the next one is Tesla Motor. Tesla Motors still holding up there, still trying to break above this 127 extension, this 173 level here. It's kind of strange. Yesterday the market was down and Tesla Motor closed up, and today the market is up and Tesla Motor closed down. But looking at it right now, I think the Tesla Motor still got a little bit more upside to go. Maybe it will get a little bit more pullback and possibly come back and test this 159 level once more before it make a run at the to possibly get up to this 182 and or the 192 area, this 181, 192, these 141, 161 Fibonacci extension. Just a heads up on Krispy Kreme, although it forming an inside day today. Tomorrow after the market close, Krispy Kreme will be reporting earnings. So if any one of you guys are trading that, just make sure that you are aware of that. There could be some little bit of a volatility play. And then Green Mountain Coffee Roaster, after it came down, bounced off this baseline here. Actually today it closed at the new 52-week high here. So there's a good possibility that it's seems like it want to come up to this upper band of the price channel, which would probably lead to somewhere around the 100 level when it come up. So certainly we want to keep an eye on Green Mountain Coffee Roaster here. Then Apple seems to be pulling back a little bit, although we had a update today. Most likely it's probably I'm still kind of looking forward to possibly get down and retest this 480 level for support. If it can hold support, then the next likely support level will be somewhere around this 466, which this Fibonacci retracement of 618, along with the confluence of the 200-day moving average, and also this particular pivot high, which is somewhere around that 466. So kind of keep an eye on this 466 level. If it break below the 480. Okay. And Netflix is continued to hold up. Most likely it will probably will come up and try to take out this all-time high here, and that's why probably when we see the all the short will capitulate and just cover it all up, then that's probably when we get Netflix make a climatic top and then start coming back down again. But until then, I think Netflix is still a lot of upside momentum to continue to go up. Although I'm not, won't be trading it until after the Labor Day holiday. What I'm looking at is to break above this high here, which is the 289.94. Although you could see that it is forming a double inside bar here, right? These two candles inside this candle here, right? And also this candle is inside of this candle. So you see this double inside bar type of pricing formation, which is fairly interesting, because it is essentially it is forming some sort of a flag pattern, right? So depending on which side it's going to break, if it's going to break up, then break above it, then most likely we'll see it to come up and try to take out this all-time high. If it break down, then we probably see it to come back down and retest this level here somewhere around this 267, 268 level, which is near the 20 EMA. And the last one we'll look at is Google. We've been looking at Google for quite a while, keep an eye on that. And essentially we're looking at this breaking this trend line. Then we're looking to make sure that it hold up at this 860 level for support, which it broke. So right now most likely it's going to come down and test this 840 level, and if it doesn't hold this 840, then there's a good possibility it's going to come down to below this 820 level, where the 200-day moving average will be confluent with this particular pivot level here. So if we put up a Fibonacci retracement here, we could also see some of the retracement level kind of in confluence with some of these support level. See on this 127, which is 843, so it's pretty close to that 840 pivot level here that we're looking at. And here near this 820, 815, so we got this also the 168 down here, which is sitting at somewhere around 824, 825. So those are the stocks that might want to keep an eye on. There's a lot of some have upside potential, and some is just kind of still a little bit tricky. So I just have to trade with a lot of caution, especially the next couple of days. Things are really going to be slowed down. So if you really want to trade, then you just have to thread carefully. So good luck to everybody, and if for those that are taking off to get a head start, early start on the long Labor Day weekend, have a good one, and see you in September.